You know, sometimes when you see a pair of shoes, you just got to buy them there and then because you never know if you'll see them again. It's also like that with light and photography, and I'm in one of those moments right now. Behind me, the sun is setting and it's creating, you know, the golden hour thing, wonderful red glows. And right before me is this tree trunk, which is, to all intents and purposes, in silhouette, apart from a couple of branches that are angled such that they are catching the light. It's not going to be around here for long, so I've got to work fast. Here, that sun is setting and it's got that lovely red glow, which we can just make out on the bottom of those two branches. The rest of the trunk here is mostly silhouette, but just the warm orange glow is what I want to capture. I'm framing so that the trunk is going diagonally across frame from bottom left to top right. And on my 1x zoom, that's filling it sort of nicely. Now, if I punch in 2x zoom, and this is not good for my back, but really filling the frame now, and I'm heroing the bits of the branches that are really benefiting from the glow. It looks like some sort of, I don't know, giraffe's head maybe. And then finally, while I've got the time, while it's still glowing, the wide-angled lens, 0.6 on this camera. We get some context, we get the other trees that are all silhouetted. We get just a hint of where the sun is setting, but we also get the glow across where those two high up branches are just bathing, basking in the last of the sun's rays. Lovely. You've got to act quickly when the impulse takes you and when the light is in such a position as that. Let's see if I've managed to capture it just in time. Time was of the essence when capturing this tree, and I like this shot. I like the colours in the sky, the rich blue to the light blue. The trunk reaching from the bottom to the top of the frame is endlessly interesting. You can just see in the silhouette enough detail that I know it's a tree trunk. But this sort of cross from the left to the right, catching that setting sun, introducing a different colour into the frame, makes this a really successful shot for me. In this frame, I zoomed in to capture a detail rather than the whole trunk, and I focused on what I'm calling the head. And if you sort of squint and think you're looking at some magical creature from a movie, then, well, this might just work for you. However, what we do see, along with the detail in the bark, is the setting sun just catching the bottom of these branches, again introducing this orangey brown rich colour contrasting with the blue sky behind. I really love the detail in this. That's the bit that's really successful for me here. This wide-angled frame captures so much. The sky for a start, from the rich blue on the top to the sun setting on the bottom left. We've got all of the trees largely in silhouette around, surrounding our hero tree right in the middle, crossing the frame. And again, just the catching of the sunset, these branches from the left to the right. What I also really like about this frame are these wispy branches just stretching out from our hero trunk as though they're fractures in the sky. There's so much to love about this frame.